Like we always do at this time, I got to shine. I go for mines. Thank y'all once again for coming in and listening. Yeah, I try to do something different. We're trying to do something different. Every time. As you can see, got the green on this side. Oh yeah, you ain't peeped the new thing? The new thing? Check out the new thing. Yeah. Ooh-wee. Check out the new thing. Hope the light hitting it too. Yeah. Wanna ride with me? Let's ride. Let's take a ride, baby. Oh, for my melanated beings, check out that sun. Check it out. Bask in it. Get that vitamin D in. See that? Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Like we always do at this time, I go for mine. Just a little something. A little something to show y'all, Kissed by the sun. I'm just kissed by the sun. To all my real people, I want to say, yay. How y'all doing? Love y'all like a bowl of grits. We try to keep it live, We try to keep it together. We try to make sure our peoples are doing something different in life. Whether my shit be nature, my shit be different. I just want y'all to embrace, sometimes being by yourself and chilling by yourself. Because some people got negative energies. You don't want that. You don't want no negative energy in your life. You know what I'm saying? Some people drain your energy. You don't want that. You don't want that. That's not good. You want a good life. So you gotta love yourself right. Look at that sun. Bing! Gotta love it. Y'all check out my crystals. Check out my crystals, baby. Gotta love it. Still trying to get this sun, you see? We still trying to get the sun. You see me sweating and stuff? Yeah. Look at that. That's beautiful, right? It's beautiful. Trying not to sweat on y'all. Trying not to, be too much. Look at this. Look at this one. It's huge, baby. Huge. Yes. Got the yeah, bing. You see that? We do that. We does that. Got the yada bing bing. You see the chakras? Those are all the chakras that you need. Okay? I got some crystals, but I gotta find a spot to go chill at so I can put my crystals in. Oh yeah, and these is twisties. My sister thought that I had a curl. I told her, I said I ain't got no curl. So I just got some twisties in my head. I twisted them up, you know. Twist them up, you know. Like that there. Player. Yeah, I'm out in the outbacks, in the wilderness, seeing rabbits and, you know, stuff of that nature. Got my water bottle with me in case, you know what I'm saying, brother, get dehydrated. You know what I'm saying? Got my mountain trail mix with me. Let me see if I can show it. I want to drop my earphones. Get you some mountain trail mix. You know, keep yourself healthy. Keep striving for the best in yourself. You know, once you learn yourself, you can take over the world. So that's what I'm doing. I'm learning myself. I'm loving myself. I'm doing things with myself. I'm enlightening my soul. And I don't let bad energy get to me. You know, somebody said, well, you ain't really about that spirit life. Girl, I got Palo Santo, sage, all that good shit. You know what I'm saying? I does the shit for real, you know? And I do have my crystals. I want to show y'all my crystals. Hold on. Don't tell me I ain't with my crystals. Check out my crystal game. Check them out. Bing. And that's a tiger's eye. That's a cat's eye. Yes. Yes. You see the bling? The little thing blinging? And I don't wear this to be fronting and acting like I'm all that and stuff like that. These is actually good for your chakras. You know what I'm saying? You got chakras, you know what I'm saying? Throat chakras, you know, your pineal gland. You got things in your body that you don't even know about. You know what I'm saying? They say come within. You got to go within to go without. You know what I'm saying? To go out, to be something, to be better than what you usually are. You know? Study your insides. We don't even need doctors and medical treatments and shit like that. We don't need that. You know? That's why they killed Dr. Sebi. Love you, Dr. Sebi. You know what I'm saying? Love you, Dick Gregory. Love y'all. Love all y'all. And these is twisties, in case y'all was wondering. Yeah, these is twisties. And this is the sun for my melanated beings. You know? Okay? So, just wanted to say that I love y'all. I don't care what color you are or whatever, you know what I'm saying? We supposed to be eating plants, you know what I'm saying? We alkaline, you know? So I try to stay healthy. Try to keep myself grounded. You know, even though I act silly and flirtatious at times, you know, I'm really a deep brother. You get to know me, you know what I'm saying? And I am about my spiritual life. Everybody ain't going on the same page. Everybody don't follow the same spiritual guides. We will all do our own thing. That's how we find ourselves. You know, you gotta find yourself. You know, if my life is nature, then so be it. You know what I'm saying? That's my life, you know? I don't want to live like you. I don't want to be all congested in the matrix. You know, I got to have this, that, and all this. And you know what I'm saying? I don't let things control me. You know, when it gets too tough, I come to nature. You know, when it gets, you know, where... Hold on, let me show you my crystals again. And this is a tiger's eye. Look at that tiger's eye. That's a tiger's eye. This a cat's eye. Check that out. That's a cat's eye. That's a cat's eye right there. You keep falling shit. Carnelian. Bloodstone. Malachite. Oh yeah, I'm really with it. And this is a blue tiger's eye. Yep. You know, I got my obsidians, all that. I got all my babies. Look, check this out. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. Boom. You know, got all my chakras. You see the owl on that baby? You see these things? Look at that. Watch it. Watch what it do. Big. Yeah. Hope y'all getting that. Getting a good picture of that. Yeah. Got my little mood ring. Yeah. Make these videos so when I get older and look back, I'll be like, dang, I did something, in nature. I ain't talking about Disneyland and, all the exciting shit that people think is exciting. This is exciting to me, and I'd rather be by myself than, what I'm saying? A lot of people don't want to do what you want to do. A lot of people don't want to feel this good energy, this feel good energy. I'm out with people that love nature too. I'm out with people that are trying to see things differently, Because if Donald Trump blow this motherfucker up, y'all through. Y'all gonna be like, man, it's cold out there. Ooh, it's too hot out there. If Donald Trump fuck this shit up, y'all fucked. You know what I'm saying? Got y'all paying all type of prices and taxes and shit. You want a Maybach? You better lay back. Lay your ass back. Shit. Try to stack you some money for a rainy day. You know what I'm saying? For real. Shit is getting real out here. That's why you gotta come and calm down. You know what I'm saying? I'm about sticker bushes. I'm about cactuses. I'm about everything. Oh yeah. Oh, I didn't show you my other baby. Pink. I got that. And hold on. Let me show you this one. She's a beauty. Hold on. She's a beauty. Check her out. Yes. Yeah. I do take spiritual baths with my little Florida water and all that. My lavender. You know what I'm saying? I do all that. And to all my folks, I love y'all. Oh yeah, still got the haircut. Yeah, what you know about that? I'm gonna go around for you. Go around again. Damn. Hope y'all like that. Just trying to, try to kick it. It's beautiful out here. That's why I come to find peace. But I will be balling on y'all in a minute, so get ready. You know what I'm saying? Y'all better check out my music on YouTube. I got some new music too coming. So don't get it twisted. I'm in with nature, but I'm still got, I still got still will in me, I still will pop a bottle with you, and I still will, talk that live wire shit, let me hit that sun, get that sun in him. Ooh, look at that. You ain't even seen that before. Yes. Yeah, I've been kissed by the sun. I've been kissed by the sun. I want to say I love y'all. Aset, go to her channel. Her name is Aset. Lucid Living. Go to General Sarah Sutton channel. General. Go to Young Pharaoh. Peace to Young Pharaoh. You're a real deep brother, man. Yeah. All in your face like a tall can. And I still love Nature Boy. And I still love, all my brothers if we get it together, man. I love all the zodiac signs. I do study the zodiac signs. So if I don't get with you and we don't connect, our energies is just not there, baby. Yeah. It's talking about some girl said you ain't really with this shit. I said, hey, look, I follow my own spiritual path. I don't follow yours, and I don't follow everybody else's. I might listen to you. You might be nice with it. You know what I'm saying? You got good words. You know what I'm saying? But you see what they did to Dr. Umar? Ooh, god damn! You see what they did to Polite? Ooh, you know what I'm saying? And now they finna come after Nature Boy. Ooh, god damn. That's why you got to stay grounded and by your damn self. Keep to yourself. They say stay out of people's business, but people sometimes bring their business to you. So Just know that. Stay grounded. Keep to yourself. You know what I'm saying? You the done dada. Look at that. I got the crystal at the end. You see that crystal? Bing! Stay to yourself. You know what I'm saying? Love your kids. Do right by them. Do right by yourself. You know? And then spend time with yourself. That's what's wrong with people. Everybody in somebody else's shit. Everybody trying to floss on somebody else. You know what I'm saying? We all chasing women. Even women chasing women. God damn. You know what I'm saying? Now, women, this is for you. Raise these kids right. Don't let them run out in these streets and be wild. You know what I'm saying? And stop banging on the pops, because without pops, god damn, you wouldn't even have a kid. You know what I'm saying? Y'all better show love to the black man. Show love to him. This nigga's in jail. This motherfucker's out here hurting. This motherfuckers that need y'all asses. And y'all asses up here man bashing. Stop it. Cut that shit out. You know what I'm saying? We love y'all, god damn it. Some men need to be in the house, god damn it. So, bing. One love to all y'all. Much love, peace, and still love you. Stay black. Got it. Look, I got people in here. In the video, too. Say hi, y'all. And they got a dog, too. We'll get the dog in the picture, too. So, yeah. Once again, I just want to say to y'all, keep it real. Shit. If you can't keep it real with no one else, keep it real with yourself. You know, because life finna get hard, you know. So black folks stick together. Everybody stick together. Good folks stick together. How about that? No, I ain't on no black shit. I'm on some stick together shit. I'm on some stay with the good positive vibes shit. If you got that negative vibe, you're gonna rub me the wrong way. You know, you're gonna rub everybody the wrong way. We got to stay strong with one another. We got to be a part of this thing to change the world. You know, we got to start with positive. You know, police killing niggas, bam. You know what I'm saying? They giving you GMO foods. They trying to kill y'all, putting fucked up shit in your water. You know what I'm saying? And all these rappers, y'all got all that fucking money. You need to help the fuck out and stop balling on people. That's why y'all ass get robbed. Ain't nobody robbing this shit. Because they don't know about the chakras and how this look like some goddamn, you know what I'm saying? It look like some fake costume jewelry to somebody. But it's actually helping you. You know what I'm saying? When you meditate or when you kick it by yourself, your chakras open. Pineal gland open, which is your third eye. Yeah, I wear the Ankh. I wear all that. I wear all the good pieces that help you. You know what I'm saying? Eternal life type of shit. I love women. I love y'all. I love y'all to death. Shit. The attitudes, y'all better bring that black man back in the house. Stop fucking with him. Shit, he got it hard on himself. He got it hard in the world. It's hard out here. But we love y'all though. You know, we try to keep it nice and neat. You know, we try to keep it right. So, one love to all y'all. Yes, I show my little costume jewelry, if you call it, but it's actually crystals. It's actually something that'll help your black ass, or whoever the color your ass is.